going to look at this problem. It's in the systems section, but it's actually not a systems question. You're going to do a mixture, but you're going to use how many gallons of pure acid. So you don't know. So you're going to do X gallons. Pure means it's going to be 100%. Right? You're going to add it to 75 gallons. Of 22%. And you want to produce a solution that is 25%, sorry. 25%. Right? And so the only unknown that we have is this, how much we're going to add of this pure. So usually with these, you don't know how much you have of this one, and you know your total, but you're going to add X of this to 75. So your total over here is going to be your 75 plus how much you add of this. So that is going to be our amount over here. So this is going to be X plus 75 is going to be your total here times the 25%. So we're going to only have one variable, so it's not going to be a system of equations. Right, we want to change these percents out to a decimal. So we're going to have X gallons at 1%. Remember, you drop your percent and go 2 places to the left. So this is just going to be 1 or 1x. So 1.0 or 1x. So don't get confused by that. So it's 1 point. So 1x plus 75 times 0.22. So 0.22 times 75 gives us X plus 75. That's our amount. And this is 0.25. And that is our percentage. And we will need to distribute that piece. All right. So we'll do our calculations. Here we have just X. I'm going to pull up a calculator for a little help. So we'll clear it out. 75 times 0.22, 16.5 equals, and over here we get 0.25x, and we have 75 times 0.25. $18.75 and now we're ready to solve. So I'm going to get my x terms on the same side, so I'm just going to leave the decimals in. Subtract 0.25x. So this is 1x minus 0.25x. You can use your calculator. It's going to give you 0.75x. Subtract your 16.5. So we're going to have 0.75x equals 2.25. And we're going to divide by 0.75. So x equals 2.25 divided by 0.75. Enter. X equals 3. And this was gallons, so 3 gallons of pure acid added to 75 gallons of 22% will produce a solution that is 25%. So we're doing 100%. It's going to just raise us up to 78 gallons total. It doesn't ask us that, but if you're adding 3 to 75, you're going to get 78 gallons. Just will change this a little bit, but we're not adding that much of it. But it's a lot stronger than the 22%. It's 100%. But see, this is not a system. There were not 2 variables there. There was only one variable.